so.
Yes.
So now we must go and look for incomes. So we need to go and make sure that we look for those incomes. So some other incomes are very straightforward. Honestly speaking, to save time, I think the others here, if you can check, there's no income here. So, okay, let me ask you, do you see any income here on this list?
Anything mostly it's expensive. Oh,
Huh?
rental income, and
Is that
commission
the only
income.
income? And commission income. And to make sure that there are incomes, they must be on the credit side. Can you see they're all on the credit side?
On the credit.
Yeah. Incomes
Yes.
must be on the credit side. Yes, they must be. So if you say income in future and then you see that it's not on the credit side, just double check. Maybe there's a mistake there. So there's a commission here, okay? The first one.
Yes.
So before we can record this commission amount, we must go and check any information about commission there. So whatever you check, you must always check the information, whatever you see. So there's a commission from the balance, and then we must check if there's a commission information here.
Okay.
Do you see any information about the commission?
Yes. Number 4,
Okay.
commission income of 3,600 is still outstanding.
Yes, it's still outstanding. So immediately when you see that the income is outstanding, so this outstanding, it means this is called accrued income. So
Okay.
income that is outstanding is called accrued income. Don't forget that. So, but next time they won't say outstanding. So if they say outstanding, they say due, they say still to be received, they say in arrears.
Okay.
They mean one and the
Okay.
same thing. I'm going to repeat myself.
All right. Okay.
Outstanding, let me know if I must continue.
Yes, continue.
Due, still to be received,
Yes.
in arrears. It means one and the same thing. The account for that will always be accrued.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you.
It means that income, for example, let's say the income there, they are talking about this income. Can you see? Let me go up there. They are talking about this income called commission income here. It means this 18,000 that you see here is incomplete. That's why they said accrued income.
Yes.
So when you see the accrued income, it means you are going to go and add this income that they're talking about. You're going to add it to what? You're going to add it to the account in question. So every time you see accrued income, it doesn't matter which income are you talking about. Just know that you're going to go and add. It means the amount given to you is not complete. In this case, it means this 18,000 is not complete because we must first add accrued. I don't know if you got my point.
Yes, I do.
So every time you see accrued, add. Don't make a mistake. You always add. It means you have to complete the income. So now the income is complete. It means they were supposed to give you how much? What is the total now?
It's 21600.
216. Like this, huh?
Yes.
Are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you.
Yes. So it doesn't matter any income, even the expenses if they are accrued. If it was an expense, it will be accrued expense. Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes, no problem. So the first income has been dealt with. Let's go and check the next income. You said the next income is rent income. Is this one? Eh?
Yes. Rental.
So I'm gonna
500.
come here and put rental income. And then again, we need to check the information about rent, if there's anything about rent income.
Okay. To do rental income for the year should have been 600.
I think they
Okay.
made a mistake. They meant 6,000, I think so. Are you with me?
Okay.
I think they made a mistake here, so I think I'm gonna add. You can, the reason why I say 6,000 is because there's a space in between. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. I think they meant
Yes. Yes.
6,000. Now, this is what they're saying. They're saying the rental income for the year should have been how much? 6,000. Are you with me?
Yes.
But if you
Yes.
can check the rent income here is how much? Is 6,500. What do you think?
Yes.
What do you
So
think? Why are they
it's
different?
okay. It's over by 500.
By 500? So that 500, it means the rent income has been received in advance. So we receive the money for next period.
Okay.
Are you with me? So we received money in advance.
Okay.
So we are going to call that, there's something called, we can call it prepaid income or income received in advance. I don't know which one do you prefer.
Income received in advance.
Yes, that is the
Straightforward.
income received. Yes, straightforward. So according to you, will I go and add or less? Because I know that is 6,500. Must I add or less?
Minus the 500.
Minus 500. I like that. Because it should be 6,000. Can you see now? So I like that. So it's going to be 500. 6,000, not 500. 6,000, yes. Can you see now? So meaning any advance will always be minus, because advances for next year, it means we only need to deal with the figures for this year. That's why we had to minus that 500.
Yes.
Yes. So we are going to, okay, this is the income. So if we check, this is the income there. Any other income? If you check here, we only have income here. We only have income here. So we have dealt with this one. And then, so if I check, there's no other income that we have.
No.
So these are the only incomes we have. We just have to add them together. And then the total for incomes will be, is it correct?
Okay.
Yes. That is the amount. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. And then if you add them together, of which sometimes they don't mind if you don't put it together. So sometimes they allow you if you leave it like that. But for me, I prefer to call it something and say, now we've got what do you call the gross operating income. But you don't have to do it. But for me, I prefer to do that. So I just have to add the two figures there on top. Can you see that? So 72,129 plus 27,600.
Which one is that? Gross operating income.
Yes, you add if you add gross profit plus other incomes, these ones.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, but remember sometimes even if you don't write this one, you can leave it like this two like that. They won't penalize you. So for me, but I prefer at least if I see these totals, it makes my life easy because I know from here where do I go from here,
Okay.
where do I go? Yes. Are you okay?
Yes.
So I know this exercise is gonna take long, so I don't know because I think it's gonna take long. We can maybe continue with the next. We still have to have 2 main expenses, and then we can take it from there.
Continue.
Can I continue?
We can stop and continue next. No, I'm saying we can stop and continue next Saturday because I'm planning to do this every Saturday.
Okay, you want us to stop now and